Hello and welcome. This video is going to show you how to use the informal partitioning method for subtraction. This written method is used in Year 1. So let's imagine I have the sum 28 minus 11. Using my knowledge of place value, I know that I have 2 tens and 8 ones in the number 28. I have 1 10 and 1 1 in the number 11. So, if I was to focus on my tens first of all, if I had this 10 and I'm trying to take it away from these 2 tens, that would leave me with only 1 10. Let's now focus on my ones. I've got this one over here, which I want to take away from my 8 ones, which will leave me with 7 ones. I've now got 1 10 and 7 ones, which gives me a total of 17. So 28 take away 11 is 17.